All right, guys, round two. We did good off the front. We shot 40. I'm pretty sure it was 40. I'll have to add it up because I don't know if that's a lie or not, but it's either 40 or 41, one of those two. People are playing extremely slow in front of me right now, so I'm just gonna try to do my best to keep pace without slowing down because I don't want to get iced over. But yeah, let's get started.
Stop it. Get some help.
What?
Come on, one putt for par. Well, guys, not gonna lie, I really did have a fun time today. The greens weren't as good as I wanted them to be just because like they've been aerated and sanded, so my ball was kind of all over the place, but I can't even be mad about how well I played. I think I shot an 81. I'll add up the score and put it right here somewhere. But anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll be back soon. You know, I'm gonna be posting a lot more golf content here soon. Just keep an eye on it. If you guys like it, like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. As always, Captain out. What a fun round.